Welcome back to It Started with Sawdust. Another epic battle ahead. Buckle up and behold the performance of a fake Makita no-name impact wrench and the Makita XDT16. Besides the half-inch drive of that fake Makita, we noticed a quarter-inch hex thingy that nobody talks about. So the idea was born to compare these two tools with ordinary bit holders and some 8x140 wood screws. Bit holder and Torx 40-bit come from the Makita B50-28-9 ratchet and bit set. Time to get started with the fake Makita. We stop the time for each screw. So, the speed ranges from 8 to 12 seconds at high torque. Time to get the Makita into traffic. Solid. That speed ranges between 3 and 5 seconds with the assistant mode. It seems we got a winner for now. Next time that fake Makita impact wrench will compete with the Makita XWT11.